What's up, everybody? This is Tom Weiss from Binghamton, New York, doing the Airgun Depot Long Range Challenge. Going to be shooting the FX Boss 30 caliber today, 225 yards. So coming up on camera, we already did the challenge, but obviously in the woods, the camera didn't pick up the intro too well. So again, Tom Weiss from Binghamton, New York, submitting my entry. Thanks, guys.
Oh my gosh, right next to it. There you go. Try one over. Out in that mag. Windage was perfect. Elevation go up a little. Got it! Boom. That was 11 or 12 shots. 222 yards. Let's go down, take you guys down there, take a look.
First of all, I guess you really won't be able to tell zooming in where it was because this camera just doesn't zoom far enough.
You get on this one?
Yeah, that's where she was sitting, right on top of that mound. We'll zoom out, walk down there. Dang, that was not easy. I think that would have been very difficult through the scope cam on the Boss. Nicholas, you want me to get that other golf ball down there? Oh yeah, right in there. Okay, I'm going to start walking, gents. Now for the long walk. This is an abandoned landfill behind my house. And hopefully our GoPro's still down there intact.
Almost taking a wrong turn at Albuquerque here. Not down that road. We got our shoot and see targets that we zeroed on down here. They were at about, I think it said 212 on the rangefinder. Long walk. You got the golf ball, buddy?
Yep.
Okay. Guess Nick is deciding to stay back there since we got some time to talk. Nick is going to be taking the shot next, and if we were by some miracle to win the prized custom impact, that'd be going to him. So what we're doing here is we're recording through the scope cam of the Caliber Gun Cricket. That gun is also just as capable. 25 caliber. It's got a Hawk 8-32 by 56 on that one. We've shot that one, shot cans out at 200, and I don't know if he's going to want to do the shot with that one or if he's going to want to use the Boss. I don't know how well the mic's picking it up. It is pretty windy out here, so that's why we're opting for the 30 caliber. Just buck the wind a little bit better. Alright, so shoot and see targets. We're going beyond those, right over to the mound. Here's where it was. Oh yeah, it's all dusted. There's the GoPro. Oh, it's split right in half. Nice. Well, there's where she was. And see if I can zoom back to where we were shooting from. This camera takes eons to zoom. Right back in that entry to the woods, right there. May even be able to see Nick, I'm not sure. Whoops. So there it was, 222 yards. I'll try to get a picture through the rangefinder. Yeah, we'll try to get a picture, verify the distance, but difficult to range from back here. So thanks guys, I guess Nick is up next. Turning you guys back on the walk back here. I was just thinking about it. I think that was 11 shots or so, but I had 2 of those that were sighters on the mound to see where I was going, so technicality I suppose, but 2 of those shots I was not shooting at the golf ball, so I want to say I did that in one 9-round magazine technically, but who's counting? I do think that's the farthest anyone's done so far. Anybody feel free to correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. 222. We would have got farther if we could have, but as you can see, it's pretty much that golf ball is as far back as it can go. And I got this big landfill up here, and obviously you just can't get beyond the hill. There you go. Oh, it's a load off my shoulders now that I know I hit it. I was not very sure of myself there for a second. Knew the gun was capable. That Boss, by the way, is a tack driver. Both of these guns I bought from Air Guns of Arizona. Check them out. Pretty good guys, had mostly good experience with them. Darren, if you're watching this from Air Guns of Arizona, you still owe me that stock for that Wolverine, by the way.